Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any
Hey
update.
guys, so in today's video I am going to share a review of the Voste the Perfection Gloss. This is how it looks. I got this product from my Glamigo box. So if you haven't yet checked out my Glamigo box unboxing, then here will be the link. Go and check it out. So there I got this lip gloss and I am actually wearing it. So it's been like 2 hours that I'm wearing it, and I've not retouch it. First of all, I'm in the shade Marcia Rouge. I guess I'm pronouncing it right, hopefully. And this is the beautiful shade. Like, this is the beautiful color, guys. I really love how it looks. And I think it has it has formulated in Italy, and I really love how nicely you can apply it. And I have really dry lips. Like, I feel dryness a lot, so I have to keep lip balm with me all the time, because I am a person who who feels that lips are getting drier. So I am a person who cannot live without lip balm. So when I wore it, like, people have been giving compliments. Like, I have been receiving so many compliments because of this gloss, obviously, because a person who daily basically use matte lipsticks, and someday if you wear glossy lipsticks, you look different, and you look like different than other days. So that is how people get attracted. Like, people can see the difference. So I am really much happy. And when you apply it, at first you feel little like minty coolness on your lips, and then gradually it goes off. Like, you won't feel the minty lips all the time. You won't feel that cool minty lips all the time. But when you apply it, at first you will feel some like coolness going on your lips. So I really like this lip gloss. And favorite product out of all the product I got from Glamigo box will be this one, and I have been using it like every time. If you eat anything, obviously it will fade away. If you drink water, then it will transfer. If you drink coffee, it will transfer, obviously. So what you have to do, you have to reapply it. That's the case with this thing. That's why a lot of people prefer matte lipstick over gloss. But I think sometimes to jazz the look up, you can wear it. Sometimes to go for different look, I think you should go for gloss sometimes, because I feel that if you are sticking to your favorites, you're gonna look boring. Keep changing your look every day. Try to play with your look. Don't just stick with one thing. Like, if you like to wear jeans and top, just don't stick to it all the time. Wear kurtis as well. Wear different type of dresses and things. So that's what I'm trying to say. Don't stick to your favorite all the time, because what happens then, you will get bored and your looks gonna get boring. If a person see you every day, they will feel like, I see this kind of avatar every time, so this is nothing new to me. So try to change up your look. And that's what I felt actually after applying it, that I used to think that lip glosses won't look good on me, but after using it, I realized that yes, I think people should not stick to one thing. They should try everything, like matte lips, gloss lips, and cream lipstick. And that's what I felt. And I have nothing more to say about this thing, because I really loved it. Overall, I did not see any cons of it. Only one thing I would say, that if you eat something, it will transfer, and if you eat your lunch or dinner or any kind of heavy meal, it will fade off for sure, and you have to reapply it. That is the only con I will say that I got, or else I don't feel that any kind of cons it has. It is a very thick gloss. It's not like if you drink, it will go away. It'll take time to go away. Seriously, if you drink like 4-6 cups of coffees, then only you feel that yes, you need to apply it. This is the favorite product of mine, and I have been using it like crazily, and I really like the shade even. Seriously, like, can you see? I really like this shade. I'm so much into it that now I want to buy more colors of Bella Voste to, like, I really like the quality of it, so that's why I want to buy more colors of it. And the price of it is $6.99. I don't have the packaging because I don't know where I've kept it. So I don't have the packaging, so it is for $5.99, which is 600. And I think you'll get it online if you search. I'm not too sure, but if I get the link of this lip gloss, I'll put into the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And if I won't link it, that means that I did not get the link from internet. So I am really in love with it. I will suggest you guys to buy this if you are a person who like lipsticks, matte lipsticks, creamy lipsticks, all kind of lipsticks, and don't like any kind of glossy product like lip gloss and stuffs. Then I would highly recommend you guys to buy a lip gloss and try once, because I used to feel the same, but when I started using it, my thoughts are fully changed. I'll highly recommend to all of you guys to buy this product or to buy any kind of lip gloss if you like, as this is a review of Bella Voste, so that's why I'm saying if you want, you can definitely go and buy this product. And I think it's worth the price. It stays for your lip more than other lip gloss, I believe, and I think whatever you are paying, it's worth each and every penny of yours. So yeah, that's what I feel about it. And the packaging is very firm, like it won't break. If it falls, it won't break, obviously. I love how well it looks, and you have to just open it like so. Best thing about this tip is you can go wherever you want. You can nicely line your lip up, and you can feel your lip nicely. You don't feel any hassle, right? That's what I really like. I feel everything nice about this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I shall see you super duper soon. Till then, take care. Bye.